How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel and thank you for clicking on the thumbnail. Today I'm going to be talking to you about 3 unexpected uses for Dawn dish soap in your yard. Number 3 is a doozy, so make sure you guys stick around to the end. Let's get started. So number 1, it can be used as a soil softener and a soil conditioner. So what does that mean? Well, simply put, it just means that it's going to allow more water and nutrients down into that root zone. And by loosening up the soil, it's going to allow the roots to grow with more ease, creating a better lawn on the surface. Now, I commonly use dish soap when I'm applying a root growth stimulant, allowing it to get deeper into the ground, making the product more effective with each application. Now, number 2. It's commonly used as a surfactant. So what does surfactant mean? Basically, it's just a fancy word for helps it stick. This means it helps liquid solutions adhere to a plant leaf much better, in turn making the solution more effective. Now, I often use Dawn when I'm applying a foliar feed to my lawn, just because I know it's going to help the nutrients stick to the leaf so the grass can uptake what I'm applying. Now, as a little bonus tip, it can also be used as a weed killer if you mix it with vinegar and salt. It's a nice, healthy way to do things with no herbicides involved. Now, number 3, which is my favorite of all of these tips, is yes, Dawn can help kill grubs in your lawn, and I'm going to tell you how it does that. Now, grubs are a common issue when it comes to a healthy lawn, and by applying Dawn to it, you're actually going to smother and suffocate those grubs that are just below the surface. It's also very effective in interfering with the exoskeleton of adult beetles, which in turn is going to end the life cycle of those pesky grubs that are making your lawn look not so good. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you found it very helpful, because Dawn can do a lot more than just clean dishes. So make sure you leave a like on the video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed these little tips. This has been Backwoods. We'll see you in the next one.